s.a.w wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Click to subscribe Believing Beings and press the bell icon to get notified about new videos.
Some of us human beings, we want to copy celebrities, film stars, actors. And I am born in the city of Mumbai. It is known as Bollywood. You may have heard of Mumbai. It produces the maximum numbers of films in the world, more than even Hollywood. I was born in the city called as Mumbai, which is Bollywood. And we find in Mumbai many people coming from villages all over India coming to Mumbai. When you ask them why, they have seen the Hindi movie where the actor Amitabh Bachchan comes to Bombay. Overnight he becomes a multi-millionaire. Within a few days he becomes a multi-millionaire. So these poor people coming from all the villages of India, they think that if they come to Bombay, they too will become a multi-millionaire overnight. Just copying actors and actresses. Some of us human beings, we copy models. And when you ask someone, why did you buy this Santro i10 car? So he will tell you, because Shah Rukh Khan comes in that ad. Shah Rukh Khan drives Santro i10. Shah Rukh Khan is one of the famous actors. I think he's famous. He's even famous in Malaysia. MashaAllah. See? Shah Rukh Khan means everyone knows Shah Rukh Khan. I did not know that Shah Rukh Khan and Amitabh Bachchan are so famous here. They want to buy Santro i10 because Shah Rukh Khan drives that car. Let me tell you, I doubt whether Shah Rukh Khan owns a Santro i10. He may be owning a BMW or a Mercedes or a Rolls Royce. I think the only time he might have sat in the Santro i10 was maybe for doing the advertisement. That's it. Many of us, we just follow models. And when we ask, why have you bought the Tagore watch? No, Shah Rukh Khan wears Tagore watch. I doubt whether he wore Tagore watch before he became an actor. What has Tagore watch got to do with his acting? We are just copying the celebrities, the actors, the models, without realizing whether it's a fact or not. And this is how the ad industry, it flourishes. It is more of an artificial world.
Those people who are addicted to movies, there are many Muslims, millions of Muslims in the world who I know, they are addicted to movies. Even if they may not be addicted to the very vulgar movies, they are addicted to the normal Hollywood movies and Bollywood movies, which is also haram. They may not be watching pornography, but they are watching the normal Bollywood movies in which the ladies are dressed with skirts and with revealing the body more than covering it. There are music, there are songs away from Islam. So if such a person who's hooked on to the normal Bollywood movie and the normal Hollywood movie, or hooked on to the normal serials that you see in the Star TV or the Zee TV or the other serial, and all of them, almost all, are haram, this is less haram than the Bollywood movies and the Hollywood movies. Surely there are no love-making scenes, there may be a little bit hugging, that's what I'm told. So based on that, if a person is hooked on, and he can, best option for people hooked on, stop seeing movies, that's the best. But if he cannot, then seeing such serial like Artogral is better than seeing the Hollywood and Bollywood serial.